So I've got my solar pathway lights here. Now this is a 6-pack. It does of course come with 6 stands right here. Now when they are inserted in here, the total length of this is right around 22 inches. Now when you do receive it, the stake part is going to be inserted in there. So all you gotta do is just pull it out and insert it just like this. I do like these, that they're really pretty beefy looking. I mean, they're really a good size. You can see how the relationship is to my hand. I mean, they're about the size of a hand or I guess a cell phone. They've got a large area up here for the solar panel. So depending on the setting that you put this at, it's going to last anywhere from 18 to 15 hours. Of course, these are waterproof, IP65. What's different about these and others is that typically you're going to buy a certain brightness and also a certain color. With these, you can change all that yourself. It's very customizable. So you just take off the top, you're just going to twist it just like that. And then on the bottom here, we've got a switch for off, and then the different colors. There are 3 different colors. Then on this side, we actually have a knob to go ahead and change the brightness, which is pretty cool. I like that. So I can, if I didn't like the clear white, I could go ahead and change it to more a softer white. Now you'll see it did go off when the light hit it from my kitchen, but if you cover it up, it comes right on immediately. There's also, it looks like almost a little reflective mirror here in the base of it. That way it can go ahead and shine the light out a little bit more. And of course you've got this architectural detail right here all around the sides too. It looks really cool. These are great for around your pathways, gardens, around your pool. I mean, they really make a big difference. I love that they come on when it gets dark and they really light up the area. You don't have to run any electrical cords whatsoever, and they look fantastic. Hope you found this review helpful.